my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Good morning or good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're new here, my name is Kemp. I am married. My husband's name is Laiken'S, and we have 2 wonderful children. And thank you guys so much for being here. Also, for those of you who have wondered and asked, I did finally get a P.O. box, so check out the description box for my address. I just thought that I would bring you guys along as we celebrate our little boy's first birthday, and we just did it pretty simple and basic in our house because we didn't have a lot of option with it being winter and all. We would have loved to do something outside because what party isn't fun outside, but
dear Laiken, happy birthday to you.
Woo! You blow it out? You blow it out?
There you go. Now go for the cake.
No, want to eat the cake?
So what is that thing?
Gonna eat it?
Yeah, you stick your finger in there. Yeah, go like that right there. That's where you do it right there.
That's right. Good
That's how
job.
we do it.
Gonna eat it? It's not
Taste the one. Yummy,
Come on, stick
yummy.
it. Go like that. Yeah, there you go.
Yummy.
Stick it in your mouth. There you go. That's what we do.
We just had a small party at our home, and it was very fun, and I think everyone had a good time. Well, as far as I know, they did. And yeah, we had so much fun watching Laiken with his smash cake. He really seemed to enjoy it. And pardon my talking this morning. I have a little bit of a scratchy throat, so yeah, I'm going to try to keep the talking to a minimal. So you might be wondering, did I make the Longhorn cake or the Highland cow cake there on the cake stand? And yes, I actually did. I've hardly ever made any fancy cakes before. Like, I'll decorate them nicely, but I don't go, that far. But I did try my hand at modeling chocolate for the first time, and I really enjoyed it. So hopefully I will get a lot more chances of making some fun cakes in the future, and it was definitely not perfect, but I was happy with how it turned out. So it is the next morning after the party. We had guests till pretty late, and although most of the dishes were washed up, there was a lot of dishes that didn't get put away, and finally I decided to just go to bed and get up and the next morning and just quickly clean up the rest of the stuff. Normally, I like to clean up before I go to bed. I'm very adamant about having my house clean before I go to bed, but when you have a party like that with guests and it's, can get kind of late, and so sometimes that is when I make an exception to the rule. Also, this little Swiffer mop that I got from Walmart is one of my favorite, really handy things to have around. I don't use it to mop all the time, but when I want to just do a quick clean and or if there's a mess, it's really, really handy. So if you don't have one of those, definitely go and get yourself one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.